Welcome back to the review. Here we have an Elgin pocket watch from 1903. This watch has a white porcelain dial, sub-second hand. It's in beautiful condition. The acrylic crystal is very thick on it. It has some design on the side of the watch. The crown is in very good condition. The back of the watch says Elgin National Watch Company, and it has a serial number. It's all completely detailed in the back. Inside the case back, it shows that's the case manufacturer right there, Fahis. And since 1884, and it says Ori silver, which I think is nickel plated or nickel. That's what it looks like. This watch is 116 years old and still running. It's an 18 size case. The back is in pretty good condition. So is the front of the watch. This particular pocket watch is going to be auctioned off on eBay by seller 14 Dolphins 1.